Hello, my name's Matthew Jeske. I'm a real estate agent here in Sahuarita, Arizona, and today we're going to visit Madera Highlands. Here we are. This is my client's home. It's a 4-bed, 3-bath, 2,227 square foot home. Let's go on in and take a look. Now this example has a den as you walk in. That is an optional 5th bedroom. To the left is a crawl space and coat closet. Let's go back into the great room here. Right in front of me is a door that leads out to a half bath and garage. Let's go on upstairs and take a look. One thing I love about this floor plan is there is ample living space. As you can see, we had a den when we came in, a great room, and up here, I'm sure you're asking what's on my collar. This is actually a wireless lavalier microphone. It allows the video camera to hear me and, more importantly, you. When it comes time to list your home, I employ a lot of camera equipment, including drones. It shows if you have a mountain view, you can catch those sight lines very easily. It shows what the neighborhood looks like and where you're located. Now, a long time ago, a lady came out and said, "Oh my gosh, I was sunbathing in my backyard and you used a drone." In a retirement community, the lady said that. And I'm like, well, you'd been like 5 pixels because I'm up pretty high, but I'm sorry to hear that. Aside from catching nude neighbors, drones are awesome for selling properties. And believe me, that was not my intention. So when it comes time to sell your home, make sure to give me a call. I'd love to help you out. And until then, let's enjoy this video. We have a loft. To the left are the bedroom spaces. This is a split bedroom plan, meaning the spare bedrooms are on one side and the master's on the other. Let's take a look at the upstairs bath here. It's a full bath with a tub shower kit there at the end. To my left is one of those spare bedrooms I mentioned. And opposite of that at the end of the home is a laundry room. This example comes complete with the washer and dryer. To the rear of this property is a common area. So this is a boundary lot, and I'll explain what that means in a moment here. First, let's take a look at this middle bedroom here. These bedrooms on the east side of the property, the spare bedrooms, afford awesome views of the Santa Rita Mountains. Now let me take you back into the master suite on the opposite side of the home and show you that boundary lot I was mentioning. So a boundary lot is where there's nobody to the rear of the home. So immediately rear of this home is a large common area. There are a couple homes to the left, and the park is what backs up to this home. So we call that a boundary lot when there's nobody to the rear of the property. Here is the master bath suite. There's a dual vanity setup and a walk-in shower. To the left here, we'll take a peek in. This is the master closet. To the right, that door is the water closet, and to the left is a linen closet. This linen closet's got a bit of a niche in here. You could store a stool or something a little bit larger back in here as well. Again, I'm gonna give you another shot of the boundary lot. It's pretty awesome here. I really love that aspect of this property. The master suite is very large. It's lightly decorated right now. There's ample space for a dresser, a TV stand, a little office desk, a larger bed. It's got plenty of room to accommodate you and whatever you might like to do in your master suite there. So let's go on back downstairs. I'm going to show you the half bath really quick, and then we're going to part ways. To the back, we have a little covered patio space and a very large backyard for this property. Another great benefit of this home. Here's the half bath I had mentioned. There's also a niche in here. You could put a little chest of drawers and store towels and things in. This door leads out to a 2-car garage. All right, I've got to button this home up. Thanks again for touring with me. If you'd like to check out more homes like this, go to keystoarizona.com. There I have many more home tours for you. Additionally, if you're thinking about that moving truck, make sure to give me a call. Matthew Jeske, 520-344-3481.